Lee, in Chemnitz you're building a range of different Heckert machines, but could you explain what's behind us?
What we've got here, Mark, is a range of small machines that are extremely compact. So this is a fairly new launch where we've taken our existing very high-performing compact machines, but we've made them 30% smaller. So in footprint size, we're getting 30% more productivity for the customers.
Marcus, what special features do you have on these machines?
Well, actually, we built these machines to be the latest generation to outperform all the older machines. So basically, the machine is built as what you see here in the background is a 5-axis machine, but you can have it as a 4-axis machine. We put features on like 80 meters of rapid, like a very fast tool change, a very fast pallet changer. So all in all, these machines have a competitive advantage because we are something like 30% more productive than the older machines. And we are as reliable because we base on the same concepts we used to have. We just improved it from the experience we have gained over many years.
These type of machines, what type of markets are they fitting for the Heckert brand?
Well, that's a really interesting question because they fit in all markets. We're selling these into the OEMs, but they're also geared towards the smaller subcontract customers. So what's special about this is the investment level is extremely competitive and the deliveries are as low as 3 months on some of these machines.
So does that mean that you compete a little bit more with other manufacturers in the world in reference to these smaller machines?
This takes us right into the mainstream arena. Where we've gone very specialist in the past, this means we can compete with all of the sort of small to medium-sized machine tool companies in the marketplace.
When you're selling machines in this market, it's very competitive. What makes the Heckert machine different?
Well, first of all, accuracy, speed, reliability. That's the three main points of our machines.
And Lee, the UK market specifically with these machines, are they aerospace led or is it a little bit more general?
Not at all, not at all. For aerospace, we're unique. We've got a 30,000 rev continuous spindle for these machines. They're customised for oil and gas, they're customised for transportation, small engine parts, for example. So we can sell these machines into any sector, Mark.
At Starrag, you don't build necessarily standard machines when you say these are standard, but what variants do you have in this range?
You can build these machines in a number of different ways. So there's a 4-axis and a 5-axis. You can see a large trunnion unit behind us. It's thermosymmetrical, it's extremely heavy duty and it's driven from both sides. So that's pretty unique for these machines. We can handle up to, well, over 400 tools, if you like, in the carousel. And we have a number of spindle options, including a HSK 100 spindle in a very compact machine. So this is what makes us unique.
And is that from customers' demands or your recommendations when you look at the projects?
It's both. Customers come to us with the most challenging applications that other people can't deliver, and we do deliver. And then, of course, we have to comply with the main markets as well. So we try and cover all bases.
Marcus, can this machine mill and turn?
Yes, it can not only mill and turn. We can grind on the machine, we can gear mill on the machine, we can do deep hole drilling on the machine. So what we did is a technology integration in order to give our customer the possibility to do a one-stop solution for his part. So the part can be machined in 1 or 2 clampings, fully machined, and then it's finished. So you get a lower inventory in your factory.
So the benefit to the customer is that previously they would have had to buy 3 machines before this range of machines came along to do one process. It's doing it all 3, yeah?
Exactly, that's one of the parts, and especially the flow of the material inside the customer's factory is much faster because one machine usually in a normal production is 1 day. So 5 machines, 5 days, 5 operations on one machine is 1 day.
Marcus, for those engineers that may want to look at the Heckert brand, would you suggest coming to Heckert in Chemnitz?
Actually, it's always worth visiting the factory because here you can see the new machines, also in the production line because we are adopting a new flow line production system. You see the technical features of the machines like thermosymmetrical setup. What you see here in the background is a naked machine, which usually a customer would never see. So I always recommend coming here.